Alright guys, name's Kieran aka Kieronthebarber, and today we are doing a low skin fade on Kieran. One of my other customers has the same name as me. So yeah, we're starting off with that Andis Cordless Slimline Pro. Oh, it's not a Slimline Pro, it's a T outliner. So we're starting off with the Andis T outliner. I've sneakily snuck a GTX blade on it. Let me tell the difference for you guys between the Andis T outliner blade and the Andis GTX blade. The GTX blade has a wider tooth on it. So for instance, when you're tapering or when you're wanting to remove bulk, the GTX blade is absolutely a must. It is perfect. But when you're wanting to go around the edges, making edges look sharp and stuff like that, then you're going to be wanting that T outliner blade. I mean, you can see already how short that GTX blade takes it. So first things first, we're going to stick in the outline, and then we're going to start removing the bulk with the new Andis guards, the 1.5, the 1, the half, and the 0. They go down to just blade, and then we're going to go open guard, and then we're going to go, open blade, and then we're going to go close blade. We're going to do that all the way around. We're going to stick some scratch lines in, and we're going to make this look absolutely awesome. So guys, as I was explaining earlier, the Andis Nation Fade cordless clipper that I received maybe 3 weeks ago, you get these awesome blades with them, which is the 1.5, the 1, the 0.5, and the 0, and then obviously your blade itself, which is the fade blade. But the clipper guards themselves are universal for Andis clippers, so I stuck them on just my Cordless US Pro Li. Now I'm starting off with a 1.5 here just to remove that bulk. I'm using it open. Just want to go up to the end of the crown and then flick up and out. And onto my 1, which is closed. And you can see I'm just taking that just above the occipital bone. I'm flicking that out again just to make sure I can start then transitioning that fade and making sure it looks starting to look clean as such. Then onto my half guard, which you can see I'm just flicking around them edges and then stroking it up just to blend any excess hairs that are sticking out or any shadows that are coming across, just to make sure they're all nice and smooth. And then I'll go from that to my actual 0 guard, which is really close. To get that line out, or to help you get that line out, is absolutely perfect. repeating them same steps, guys, just from back to left to right, you can achieve a perfect low fade. It's so easy to do. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of the video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please give it a share, comment, tell me what you want to see next. I love hearing from you all. I try and reply to all of you, so just leave me a little comment. And now I'm going to shut up. I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of the video. To finish, I used the Got To Be powder with just a little bit of hairspray, and what I did was I really got my fingers through there and I messed it up and I give it so much texture. So yeah, look forward to that, and I enjoy seeing you soon. I'm glad you watched the video, and I'm glad you watched it. Take care, peace out.